Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about indefinite integrals, previous JEE mains question. See that integral sin square x into cos square x divided by sin power 5x plus sin square x plus into cos cube x plus sin cube x into cos square x plus cos power 5x whole square into dx. By seeing this question is very complex form, but we have to make in simplest form by doing very simplest procedure. Observe carefully, in the denominator, in every term sin and cos terms are there. From first and third terms I am taking common sin cube x, and from second and fourth terms I am taking common cos cube x. So, integral sin square x into cos square x divided by, from these two I am taking common sin cube x. What are the rest of the things? Here sin square x will be there, plus after taking x sin cube x, remaining is cos square x, plus from these two I am taking common cos cube x. If we take cos cube x as a common term, the rest of the term is sin square x plus cos square x whole square. We know that sin square x plus cos square x value is equal to 1. Therefore, it will becomes integral sin square x into cos square x divided by sin cube x plus this into 1 means sin cube x. Here also into 1 means cos cube x whole square into dx. From complex form to simplest form. Whenever the integral form in terms of sin x and cos x is there, we have to divide numerator and denominator by in terms of cos. Why in terms of cos? In terms of cos, which power you have to take? That is, here cos power is 2, here cos power is 3 into 2, total 6. Highest power among these two is cos power 6. So, numerator and denominator dividing by cos power 6. Cos power 6x can be written as cos power 3x, cos power 3x whole square also. If the denominator whole square is there, that is the reason we are writing in numerator cos power 6 only. Sin square x into cos square x divided by cos power 6x whole divided by cos power 6 in denominator square is there, no? So we can write as cos power 3x whole square. For the denominator, sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by cos cube x whole square. That means indirectly dividing by cos square 6 only, cos power 6 only, which is equal to integral. Here one of the cos square value will be cancelled, it will become as cos power 4x. So, cos power 4x which is in denominator, in the numerator denominator it is sin square x divided by cos square x into cos square x, that means 1 by cos square x divided by sin cube x by cos cube x is tan cube x plus cos cube x by cos cube x is 1 whole square into dx. After that, which is equal to integral sin square x by cos square x is tan square x into 1 by cos square x is secant square x divided by 1 plus tan cube x or tan cube x plus 1 whole square into dx. So, after reaching of this step, whenever tan and secant square x is there in the question, in the terms, in the indefinite integral, always we have to assume that tan assume as a t, tan terms assume as a t. That means put tan cube x plus 1 is equal to t. This value we are assuming as t. Differentiate with respect to x. So tan cube x derivative is 3 tan square x. Again tan x you have to differentiate into secant square x is equal to t derivative with respect to x, dt by dx, cross multiplying. 3 we are taking this side, dx I am taking this side. Therefore, tan square x into secant square x into dx is equal to dt by 3. Here 3 I am taking this side. Now, tan square x into secant square x into dx is equal to dt by 3. Observe that in this question, in place of tan square x into secant square x into dx, you have to replace with dt by 3. And in denominator, you have to write as t, which is equal to integral 1 by, this value is t square, in place of this one dt by 3. dt by 3 means 1 by 3 you can take outside, which is equal to 1 by 3. What is integral 1 by t square? Integral 1 by x square into dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. You remember as a formula, this is a formula. Otherwise, in terms of 1 by t square is t power minus 2. Integral exponent formula can apply, you get it answer. Instead of that, direct formula we have integral 1 by x square dx equal to minus 1 by x plus c. So in the same way, integral 1 by t square dt is minus 1 by t plus c. So wherever t is there, you have to replace again the assumption, which is equal to minus 1 by 3 into tan cube x plus 1 whole square, sorry not whole square, but tan cube x plus 1 plus c. Therefore, the given question answer is minus 1 by 3 into tan cube x plus 1 plus c.